support my work and the channel by leaving a comment below. Thanks for watching.
The Mangusta 104 REV is a luxury motor yacht by the Italian manufacturer Haulover Marine Group. This 104-foot yacht features sporty exterior styling and impressive performance capabilities. It can accommodate up to 10 guests in 4 well-appointed cabins, including a spacious master suite, a VIP cabin, and 2 twin cabins with Pullman beds. The yacht's open-plan salon and dining area offer stunning views of the surrounding waters, while the outdoor areas include an expansive sun deck, alfresco dining area, and generous swim platform. Powered by MTU diesel engines, the Mangusta 104 REV can reach an impressive top speed of 34 knots, making it perfect for adventurous cruising. Overall, this yacht offers luxurious comfort, exquisite attention to detail, and an exceptional overall experience on the water. Additionally, there are various water sports toys on board, including a jet ski and paddle boards, to enhance guests' boating experience. Overall, the Mangusta 104 REV combines luxurious comfort with impressive performance, making it a prime choice for discerning yacht enthusiasts. Thanks for watching and supporting the channel. See you in our next video.
Well guys, another video from Haulover Beach Inlet, this time more drone than usual. Also, I want to take this opportunity to let you know that maybe this is going to be one of my last videos, as the channel doesn't get any views. It's sad, but I guess I will have to start looking for something else to do. But I will give it a couple of more weeks and let's see what happens. For now, thanks for watching, and hopefully we can get the channel going. Leave a comment below and always a thumbs up. Thanks for watching.